Today we will learn how to give flicker effect to text in Premiere Pro. First of all, type your text. Go to the Effect Controls panel and center it horizontally and vertically. Then select both the fill and stroke of the text. Now turn on the toggle animation of source and randomly select letters. Then unselect fill. Move forward few frames and then select the fill again. Now go to the Effects panel and search for the Drop Shadow effect and drag and drop it. Go to the Effect Controls panel and choose the shadow color white. Then keep the softness value 10. Then right-click on the Drop Shadow and choose Copy option. Then press Ctrl+V and paste. Then make the softness 50. Then paste again and make the softness 100. Then paste again and make the softness value 150. And it is ready. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.